Hello guys and welcome. I'm in Germany, finally. Due to some technical stuff, I'm not using my gimbal today, so we'll have to deal with the good old freight train. Filming a video about a place I really want to have filmed for a long time, so that's what we do now. This is something I don't know. At this point I haven't had the drone up in there. I'm going to do that afterwards. Going in here, giving that quick glance, but yeah, it's definitely big. I don't have anything to say really. It's empty. Also, if I don't get done with this today, I'm actually going back here, so I can do like half and half and then get a video off for you in about 2-3 weeks. Oh my god, it's a slaughterhouse. I think it's a slaughterhouse. It looks like a slaughterhouse. I'm a pig for slaughter. Oh, the colors on screen are really nice. Let's take a picture. Holy shit. I like it. It's raining indoors. Nice day. Thank you. Damn, this shit is big. Please let me find something interesting. I know this place is huge, but I'm literally only on one side right now. It's the whole middle section, and another side to this, like the administration and such. I'm getting rained on. Oh, that's nice, dark and creepy. Wow. These are just big, empty halls. There, there's no roof. Lovely asbestos. If we walk through this way, we should get to the other side of the road, which is, believe it or not, freaking far away from here. Maybe this way. Hey, get wet. Oh, it's raining. This is here. Yeah, let's try to walk around here. That's why I wanted to use the GoPro, but there was not enough fucking power. And now it's fucking raining. What's that? So the rain comes from right in front of me, so I should be able to stand over here. So much for wearing sunglasses. And light. I need it. Oh my god, these are thick. But yeah, over there, that's actually still a thing. Fair enough, I mean. I'm just gonna borrow, oh, I can stand over there, the side of the building here real quick, because the water shouldn't hit there too much. But this is the other side I wanted to show. It's the more arrivals bay, loading bay kind of area. Oh my god, this is bad weather. That's the boombox. Oh right. I haven't seen one of those in years. Holy fucking shit. Talk about a bad weather. Holy damn. But from the inside, I cannot fly a drone in this. Holy shit, it needs to really stop raining before I enter. Would you stop raining on my lens? Quite nice. Just I think this is the building I was talking about. It might be. There's some stairs going up. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, definitely not enough. I was almost there. See the building right there. Yeah, that's a big gate. This is where the original video was planned to be. Just this area here. My laziness has shown I'm an idiot. You all know how to do this video. It's not even, you cannot be doubted. I need to get up there. I don't care if anyone shouts at me. Also trains. That might not mess, that I might actually be the best excuse I have. Trains. Yeah, so guys, it's gotta be the drone shot for today, because that's the only thing I can do. It's a nice shot. It's a really nice place. So, my windows have been open. Fuck. I'll go have some lunch and I'll see you in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. Also remember that I have a Patreon that you can check out. Support me if you want to. I do all these videos by myself and everything is financed by me. You can help out by €1, 5 or 10 euros, respectively. I will always think out every tier of my Patreons. Tier 1s get a tier shout out every month. Tier 2 and 3 will always be on the screen at the end of a video. Of course, with different sizes to their names. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.